What if it goes around? I mean, like, it looks like it might go around.
So Kira, do you know how to steer a canoe, or do you only know how to paddle?
I know how to steer.
Do you? Who teaches you how to steer? Your father? Or someone else?
You gonna follow that lead?
Did you learn at camp?
I I practically just taught myself by watching other people.
Oh yeah, that's a good way to learn.
You gonna go see Jeff? Big fish?
Well, get some sand and make some fortresses. Yeah, that's cool. I can't wait to see this thing.
Oh, now look at them go. Woo!
Cool.
It is cool. It's gonna fall over there. That's even inside.
Hey kiddo,
I'm waiting down.
who are you waiting for?
Hey, can't you just auntie can come in the water? Yeah, I know. So we better get digging at the bottom. Get the phone out.
I know, I gotta go.
You got an underwater camera, Jeff?
Yeah.
Does it work well?
Yeah, it's pretty neat. As long as it's not cute. Cloudy.
Did you have any pictures of fish?
Yeah, I just doing some videos of fish.
Yeah, cool.
But I think for a while I'm gonna go.
No.
Yeah,
It's bloody cold.
It's not that cold. I was in earlier. It can't be colder now.
Whoa.
It's refreshing, huh?
It's May cold.
Yeah, it's May cold.
Well, given that it's kind of the May temperature all round, it does seem to make sense. I was in the water May too far, and it was fine.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It flooded! It flooded! It flooded!